Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Intex PureSpa 6-person hot tub spa with 170 bubble jets, pump, and cup holder. With the touch of a button, activate the 170 soothing bubble jets that surround the interior of the spa or adjust the temperature that best suits your comfort level. Tilt your head back and let it relax on the inflated headrests. Get in your inflatable hot tub and fully relax with a beverage in hand and set it down on this handy Intex PureSpa attachable cup holder and refreshment tray. Product benefits. Pampering yourself is easy with the soothing high-powered jets that give you the ultimate spa experience. Built-in hard water treatment system makes water gentler on skin, clothes, and the entire spa system. Provides relaxation at the touch of a button for up to 6 people with the easy-to-use control panel. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.